Welcome back to another video with Daniel and John. And as boring as it sounds, we can talk about bump stops, and this truly was a discovery for us. At the back of the vehicle and the front there should be two of these, and you see those forks there, that slides in there and then it bolts up there with a bolt, yeah? Just like that, basically. In there, squeeze in there, and you bolt it in and away you go. Now, these are really important. They're a safety thing, because should your spring bust, it makes contact and hits that, and it saves a crack in your chassis and everything. So
I will show you what came off it. So basically they were missing the rubber pieces. They were just literally the metal pieces. So that's what they look like.
And how much were they? Weren't a lot. They're about £8
each.
So really,
if they're missing, that's what.
What would say, it's a simple job. If you've got a Discovery, just check you've got 4 of these on your vehicle, 2 at the front, 2
the same
at the back.
At the front as well. You can buy extended bump stops, but these ones will be fine for this.
And it just protects you. It's a safety thing. It's not an MOT failure yet, but who knows what
it's an MOT failure if the back axle is touching the chassis though at an MOT. But if you haven't got them and things, it's not an MOT failure. But we're just refitting stuff on there that's sort of falling off and missing.
Yeah,
as a sort of
we
thing
just
to
happened
do.
to spot one on the front and thought, let's have a look. Found there was 2 missing at the back and 1 missing at the front.
I think they've basically just fallen off over time.
I mean, you can see that's... Yeah, anyway, this helps you not to bump along. If you could help us along a bit, we'd appreciate it. Thank you.